RA? Radio announcer 1.
RA.
RA? I get food.
Okay, record.
Okay, so now we're gonna see the second group. Their song is coming out pretty soon, and we're gonna be working on a music video. So they're just gonna showcase it live. We're gonna live stream this too as well. So you guys got this. Let's go.
recording. Hi guys, this is the end of our vlog. So subscribe, please comment and share because you see more videos at the end of this live.
You see, music is more important than eating food.
Attitude
It's more important than
and
drinking.
walk off.
Where's it going?
I'll show you my whip. If you come real close, this is my whip. I'm not lying, it's real.
Well, lucky for you, I'm looking for man, but
Like the easy way or the hard way?
music. Whenever I like a musician, I say him like this here. I like your music, and I want your music. And we can do this the easy way, or we can do this the hard way.
The choice is yours.
I asked you a question, man. Can I have your music? Sounds to me like you want the hard way.
So guys, this is my car, 50K a month.
What's in your pocket? Cookies and condoms?
No.
Malungi lang tapos singe lalta makatanganak buha sa domes singe domes sa teme tam lama oita ko del bungra ayal tlo matiyam
Shalala in the morning. Morning. Shalala la la. Shalala in the evening.